Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And Thanksgiving is coming.
Sweater weather in Tennessee.
Yes, it is. It took a while, but yes.
It's here.
So, I don't know about your Thanksgiving, but I always take something. But you always have it at your house, right?
It's always at my house.
Okay. But people bring stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And I always have my signature.
Right.
Yeah.
So usually people always have their signature. I sometimes like to mix it up, bring something new, and I am a sucker for the ads, you know, on Facebook and Instagram. I'm also a sucker for the recipes. My cousin posted the other day a recipe for pumpkin pie crisp.
Okay.
So it looked really good. I'm not a pumpkin pie fan at all, which is weird because
John loves pumpkin pie. Like
my son loves it too. My husband does not like it. I don't know if it's texture or what, because I do like pumpkin cheesecake, but I don't like cheesecake. So I don't know. I'm weird. But I do like crisp. I like the topping on it. So, but this looked really good. So I'm like, all right, I need to try this.
So your cousin sent this?
She had posted it.
Okay.
I think it's from the Novice Chef food blog. Okay. One thing about food blogs that I want to mention, because I felt this way for a while, is like if you go to Pinterest and you find a recipe and you're looking, and then you got to go through a whole story to get down to the recipe. So I was thinking, okay, they spend a lot of time, you know, they're putting this stuff out for free. Yes, they have ads on their page. That's how they make their money. But they're still writing a lot of stuff. I'm like, I don't really care about your whole family. Just give me the recipe, right? So I felt bad the other day because I was watching somebody's story that has a food blog, and she was talking about that they don't want to write all that stuff, but if they want to be found in search on like Google,
You have to do it.
it's required to have, I guess, so much to be in this, so that's why they do it. So I feel a little bad for saying that. So from now on, I'm just going to go to the bottom and get the recipe.
Kind of maybe read the story.
Right. So, but that's what I found Rich reading one the other day, and I'm like, it's kind of saying the same thing over and over again. So that makes sense why they do that. All right. So this one, I went ahead and made it, and we are going to taste it. So here.
Pumpkin pie crisp.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I heated it up and I had some ice cream. I did make this yesterday that said, you know, serve warm. Like I said, like you saw in the video, super easy to make. But, you know, they said serve warm, right out of the oven, whatever. But, of course, most times you're not going to be at the plate. You're going to take it somewhere.
Or to heat it.
Right, so.
Oh, it's nice and crisp.
Lives up to its name.
Yeah. Even after being reheated. It's good. It's got an apple taste to it too.
I actually did try this last night after I made it, and I actually think it tastes better today. I think this is super yummy. I do like it with the ice cream because I like how it melts down in. It doesn't, because my husband tasted it, he goes, oh, it still has that slimy taste.
Of pumpkin?
Yes, I think that's what he doesn't like about pumpkin pie, is the texture of it.
Oh.
So I don't think it's not quite like a pumpkin pie, the filling, but I like it better than a pumpkin pie, because I think maybe it is the texture for me too, but I really like the topping. I could probably add a little more cinnamon to the topping, but I think it's really good.
Oh, it's great.
And I like the fact that, you know, the next day it's still,
Yeah.
it's actually better, and it stayed
Crisp.
right.
It's not soggy. I really like the pumpkin.
I actually prefer it, well, like I said, I don't like pumpkin pie, but I think with the pumpkin pie too, it's hard to get the crust. The crust never seems done at the bottom. Where there's, of course, you don't have to worry about it.
But it's not super strong pumpkin either.
No,
Like, it's not like I'm just eating a pumpkin pie.
no, it's not.
Just the spice and
It's not as strong as a pumpkin pie, I don't think.
it's good. It's really good. I mean, we're chowing down on it.
I think I will make this for Thanksgiving. But I do like to try new things instead of.
I might make this too. I still have to get the pumpkin pie, but whenever this would go down, it's a fan favorite.
So, I was thinking leading up till Thanksgiving.
Come on, Thanksgiving.
Maybe once a week we could do a video. So if you find a recipe that, you know how those recipes get you on. Come on. They do. You're like, what? You're like, ooh.
Yeah.
Send it to us and we will try to make it. But this was super easy to make.
Yeah, we like that. Easy.
Easy, yeah. So if you send us a recipe,
Make it easy.
We like easy.
It might not happen.
Yeah. So I'm giving this a thumbs up.
I'm giving it a thumbs up.
I will link the recipe below to that novice chef, I think. Don't have to read it, just scroll it down.
Skip straight to the
right.
recipe.
So if you've tried something like this, let us know in the comments below. One thing, you could add nuts to the topping too, if you wanted that.
yeah.
Maybe pecans would be good.
Kind of take away from it, but
No.
I don't like the mixing of the meat, and I don't like the mixing of the nuts.
All right.
I like my nuts plain.
All right. So that brings us to
Question of the day.
What is something that makes you feel old?
Kids.
Mine is similar because it's something my kids said, and I'm like, what does that mean? It's the whole slang. I need to get on Urban Dictionary like daily to keep
Right.
up. He said, I think he was eating like saltines. I don't know. He said, these are legit, no cap.
Oh.
I'm like, no cap.
Okay.
I'm like, what is no cap? So of course my kids laughed at
I
me.
don't know either.
No cap means for real, no lying. It's no.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what
Urban
cap.
Dictionary didn't help you?
They did, yeah. I checked
It
over,
just
but
said
they
what
didn't
it
call
meant,
me.
but like is your cap? I mean, normally stands for something. But
No, it was
whatever.
It's
All
just
right.
not lying.
No
It's
cap.
No cap. So we can start working that into our vocabulary and make our kids annoyed because we're too old to be using those words.
And we're doing it.
Yeah. So what's something that makes you feel old? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you send us some recipes to try. If you haven't subscribed, think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day. Bye.